Hey guys, so today's tutorial is very interesting. We are going to discuss in this tutorial that, like we know Jira, right? But from, who can use Jira, what products Jira, is serving, in different industries we are looking at. So let us go to our JIRA for Software Testers course under Automation Testing Academy. And in the curriculum, let us come to JIRA products. Okay, so we have listed down here. There are few more, but I'm talking about the important ones which we should be aware of. Okay, so there are three like JIRA products which are for different segments if we talk. So for projects, like for it's like a core for it's a core Jira where you can complete do issue tracking. Issue is, you can say, it's like a task or an activity in Jira ultimately. So for that issue tracking, there is a Jira core for projects. Then another is for development team. There is a separate Jira like version which complete contains issue tracking and agile project management, for Jira's like complete software. So for development teams, they can consider that version. Now there is a third version as well, which is for service desk. There is one for HR management as well. So in that version, you can use it for issue tracking and service request. Like as a service desk, there are many requests, many issues. As an operational team, many issues, many requests come. From a customer support perspective, we can also talk that. So from all those perspectives, we can use service desk Jira product as well. So Jira is serving usually in every direction, guys. So thank you for watching this video. I hope this increases our knowledge. Thank you. Bye bye.